my woodworking channel, Trendy Build. We're gonna learn some stuff. You're gonna try some stuff. We're gonna talk about 3D printing. We're gonna talk about jigs, tricks, tips, techniques. We're pretty much gonna hit it all. I'm gonna be doing this out of my garage, which is a standard one-car garage. I'm going to give you a little tour of how I converted my garage into my workshop. Okay, so let's start off with our little belt sander. It's a used one, it's Craftsman. It's got the 4-inch belt and the 6-inch disc. I prefer the older tools because they're made a little bit more sturdier than the newer stuff. So you'll see that a lot with my tools here. And going down, I've got my little benchtop grinder. The little table here. Eventually I'll be making some drawers on it. But that's for a later date and a different project. And I got some metal and wood and other sorts of stuff in the corner there. You'll see that a lot in the shop here. I do have like wood and jigs and all that kind of scattered around. It's not very organized, but I make do. Next to it, we have our bandsaw, and it is a 12-inch Craftsman. She's about 30 years old. Still works. It's not perfect, though. What is? It's got some drift on it. I haven't figured out how to completely fix that. It does need some other repairs on it. And it works great for small jobs though, and that works perfectly fine for me. And next to that, what we got is our thickness planer, and down below we have, you know, the simple shelf system and rolling cart and garbage bags for all sorts of fun stuff. Next to that, we have our utility workbench with some really bad drawers on there, like really bad. But I need the storage, so I was like, screw that. I'll do it. I'll make it happen. And then looking around, you can see all the fun stuff. Right in front, you'll see all the parts and stuff I may need for the human hamster wheel. Going around, and then there's where I keep my lathe on the other side. And as I said, lots of lumber all over the place. So you can see in the back that I have the shelves set up. It's not ideal. I kind of want to have a pegboard system back there, but I haven't quite figured out where everything's going. So we'll kind of go from that and figure it out from there. On our nice size workbench, utility bench, we've got projects, tools, and more tools, and more projects. Vacuum cleaner. You can use it as a dust collection or as a blower. So that's something that you can also think about when you're having your small shop, because dust collection is a pain in the butt here. so that's something I have to set up still. Then we have our multi-purpose drill press right on top of the bench. Going to the corner, got the little sound system. It's old school. It works. More lumber. Then you have the shelf with the jigs and other stuff. So in the corner here, that's where some of my wood storage is. Not ideal. Absolutely not. And then I got more stuff down below. And we got our pegboard system. Not organized. I know. I need to work on that. And right in front of here, we have my all-purpose table saw. It's my go-to tool. It's not the best. It's not a 3 horsepower, table saw that would be awesome to have. But for my small projects again, and the space, it does the job. You have to be creative with some of the jigs, but it will do it. You don't need to spend $3,000 on a table saw. In the corner here, on the side there, we got our lathe with some homemade stuff to it, some DIY tools, and just a very simple, basic garage setup. That's very messy.